Welcome back to the channel, guys. And today we're going to change the oil in my DeWalt air compressor. Show you how it's done. Stay tuned. Coming up next here in the Shade Tree Garage. All right, guys, unlike a lot of compressors, the DeWalt air compressor doesn't use bolts or anything you can remove with a crescent wrench. To do the draining, it uses an Allen key. So anyway, let's see how much. Now, this is the fill hole up here, and this is the drain. Pretty simple. And this is the sight glass. Now, without a good light, you can't see what's in the sight glass. This contains 16 ounces of synthetic and expensive oil. And I'm going to drain all that good oil out and replace it with good oil. Actually, this thing is broken in and needs an oil change. So first, they recommend getting loose the input, or the oil. This is officially known as the oil putter inner spot. All right, I'm assisted today by my #1 son, who is providing lighting and moral support. So, and earlier today, we installed a remote drain on this thing so that I can drain the moisture out without blowing things up again. How about that? The remote drain is available online on Amazon, and it's about 13 bucks. And let me tell you, it should be standard equipment on every freaking air compressor. So if anybody from DeWalt happens by this channel, put a damn drain on the freaking compressors. All right, enough of that. All right, now this is the drain, obviously. Takes the same size Allen wrench. And they're pretty snug, let me tell you. All right. Now I've got a cup to hold 16 ounces of used oil. And I've got a little funnel over. Let's see. All right, here we go. Ooh, that's some crappy looking oil. All right. Time to change it, obviously. Anyway, we'll just let this, whoops, wasn't holding it up close enough. Elijah, you don't have another cup on you, do you? Because I have filled this one up. All right, well, hint #1, don't get too small a cup when you're draining your oil. Watch out, it's full. Very, very, very full. And I've still got oil draining out. Well, at this point, we're going to have a hazmat situation here, but we'll have fresh oil in it. It is still draining. Well, we're going to let that drain the rest of the way out, and then I'm going to clean up the compressor a little bit. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back with you. We've cleaned up the spilled oil on the front of the tank, and it finally quit draining. And so next we've got to put oil back in. All right, and so you can see I have this funnel here, and then we'll be watching the sight glass down here for to get it full. Now, the capacity of this pump is supposed to be 16 fluid ounces, and we have a container that says it has 16 fluid ounces. So we'll hopefully that'll fill it up, and we won't have to buy another one. This synthetic oil is expensive, so just know that you don't want to waste it, and don't go buying a gallon of it either, because that's you'll never use it, and it's higher than holy heck. All right, so let's get pouring oil. All right, you need to take the seal off of that. All right. Now this is Porter Cable brand. If you can see it, I'm not tilting it over towards the camera for obvious reasons. All right, keep pouring. That's it. sight glass didn't give you much sight. All right, I think we're good. I think we are good. All right, now I can't show you the sight glass because it's too damn dark. I'm not even sure what I'm seeing, but I'll move the camera back and give you this back to this. Let you get up close and take a gander at it, Elijah. Well, do you see the oil?
Yeah, it's right at the bottom of the circle.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
That is good. All right. All right, now this is the Allen wrench. We can take this out, this little funnel. And here is the Allen head gizmo that goes back in it. And the oil, it closes the oil putter inner. If I can get it threaded or cross threaded. There it is. All right. Snug her up. Maybe. Come on now. There. All right. All right, guys. That's it. No big deal. Just be sure you do it on a regular schedule. The manual does have a maintenance schedule in the back, and that'll tell you how often you should change the oil. Now this was the original oil, so it's broke in and the oil needed changing. Let's put it that way. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and we're going to go back into the Shade Tree Garage. Is actually just adjacent to this barn, but I keep the compressor out here to keep down the noise in the shop. And I would recommend that. Don't keep your compressor in your shop just for the noise situation. All right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time here in the Shade Tree Garage.